Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn a new concept, and that is about subtraction. Now, children, what is subtraction? Subtraction is when we take away something from a given number. Like here I have 4 photo frames. Okay? And how many are these? Let's count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are 4 photo frames. So, if I take away one of the photo frame from it, how many we are left with? We are left with 1, 2, 3 photo frames. So, this is subtraction. That is, I have subtracted one photo frame from the 4 photo frames. Okay? Now, let's take one more example. Children, you can see these sketch pens. How many are these? These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If I take away 2 sketch pens from the 6 sketch pens, how many are we left with? We are left with 4 sketch pens. So, I can say that I have subtracted 2 sketch pens from the 6 sketch pens and the answer is 4. So now we are going to do it in our notebook. So children, open your preschool mathematics writing notebook on page number 105. Write down the date and let's start doing subtraction. Here you have to count, subtract and encircle the correct number. So, first count. How many are these? These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 6, we have to subtract. Children, this is the sign of subtract. Means, हमें take away करना है, हमें ले जाना है उसमें से. How many watermelon pieces? 1, 2, 3 pieces. So, when we are going to take out 3 watermelon pieces, we are going to cut it from 6. 1, 2, 3. These are 3. Ma'am has cut 3 pieces out of 6 watermelon pieces. Now how many I am left with? I am left with only 1, 2, 3 watermelon pieces. 3 is the answer. मतलब हमारे पास 6 pieces थे, हमने 3 pieces खा लिए. तो जब हमने 3 pieces खा लिए तो 6 में से हमने 3 pieces को कट भी कर दिया. तो अब हमारे पास कितने बचे? वी आर लेफ्ट विद ओनली 3 watermelon pieces. Now coming to the second example, we are having 5 pear. अब I am very hungry, मेरे को बहुत भूख लगी, तो I have eaten 1, 2, 3. 3 pears I have eaten. So what I will do? I am going to cross 1, 2, 3 pears and I am going to keep the rest of the pears. How many I am left with? I am left with 2 pears. So, answer is 2. Okay. After taking away 3 pears from 5 pears, I am left with only 2 pears. Okay. Now, what is the third figure? Third figure is of corn. So, let's count the corns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 corns are there with me and I have eaten up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means we have to subtract 5 corns from 9. Subtract means to take away. So, 5 corns I will cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These were 5 I have taken away from 9. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. That I am left with only 4 corns. Okay. Now this is our national animal, tiger. So children, here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tigers. है ना? And 4 of the tigers have died. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many tigers are left? First of all, what we will do? We are going to cut 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 tigers मैम यहाँ से कट करेंगी 1, 2, 3, 4. अब कट करने के बाद how many I am left with? Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tigers. So this is subtraction sign. जब आपने 10 में से 4 subtract कर दिए, take away कर लिए tigers, so how many you are left with? You are left with only 6 tigers. And this is the equal sign which shows the answer. Equal के बाद हम हमेशा क्या लिखते हैं? Answer. So children, you will complete this page. Then you are going to turn to page number 108. And here you will write down the date. Here also you have to subtract and write the answer in the box. Now children, you can see 1 is done for you. आपके लिए 1 हो रखा है. How? First you are going to count the first pair of strawberries. That are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 strawberries. And from that you have to take away 5 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So children, we are going to write it. या तो हम इसे लिखेंगे 9 minus 5 in the horizontal manner. Like हमने addition किया था. Same we can do subtraction also. And vertically also we can write 9 minus 5. This is minus or subtraction sign, which means we have to take away the thing. हमें उतनी चीज़ें given number में से निकाल लेनी है. Like from 9 we have to subtract 5. So we are going to cut 5 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now children, I am left with how many strawberries? 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. So answer is 4. 9 after subtraction of 5 gives only 4. 9 में से अगर 5 चला जाएगा तो what will be left? Only 4 will be left. Now coming to the second subtraction problem. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 mangoes. So 6 is written over here. इस माइनस के लिए माइनस इज ऑल्सो रिटन ओवर हेयर और सब्ट्रैक्शन साइन के लिए सब्ट्रैक्शन इज रिटन हेयर. देन 5 मैंगोज आर देयर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. सो 5 इज ऑल्सो रिटन. ओके, तो अब जब 6 में से 5 मैंगोज निकाल लेंगे, टेक अवे कर लेंगे, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, दीज ऑल आर सेम, देन द आंसर विल बी ओनली 1. दिस इज द horizontal method. We are going to write it vertically as well. We were having 6 mangoes. Out of those 6 mangoes, I have subtracted 5 mangoes. ये वाले 5 mangoes हमने subtract कर दिए. So how many mangoes are left with us? Only 1 mango. Okay, children, we have to write like this here. There are 3 cabbages, so 3 is written. Subtraction sign, subtraction sign. Then for 1 cabbage, 1 is written over here. So if I take away 1 cabbage from 3 cabbages, how many are left with? We are left with only 2 cabbages. Here after equal sign, you have to write it in vertical manner also. 3 subtracted 2 means 2 is subtracted from 3, only 1 is left. Sorry, 1 is subtracted from 2. 3 में से 1 चला गया, 2 is left with. So we are done with. Now this is the fourth subtraction problem. Here 4 hens are given, so I have written 4. Subtraction sign, subtraction sign. 2 we have to subtract from 4. So what we will do? We are going to cut the 2 hens. We are going to left with only 2 hens. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Children, we call it subtraction sign or minus sign. अब जिसमें से आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, बड़ा वाला नंबर यू आर गोइंग टू राइट अबव देन यू आर गोइंग टू राइट जितने आपने उसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करे 2. दिस इज द सब्ट्रैक्शन और माइनस साइन. अब 4 में से 2 गया था तो हाउ मच वॉज द आंसर? आंसर वॉज ओनली 2. So we are going to write the answer like this. Likewise for this 7 minus 4. 7 frogs are there. We are going to cut 4 frogs. How many we are left with? Only 1, 2 and 3 frogs. Write down 3. 7 minus 4. 7 में से 4 गया. We are left with 3 frogs. So children, do this work at your home if you have not attended today's class, and these are your homework pages. Do it at home. Bye bye. Take care.